the will is a really big topic, and the healing of the will and the health of the will is a very big topic for this time of year. Although Stephen Cowan reminds me that the character could be translated as will, but it could more helpfully be translated as willingness. Like, how's your willingness? Starting with deceptively simple matters like, hi, you're here. Are you willing to be here? And we could say, what are you talking about? I'm here. Obviously, I'm willing to be here. Well, wait. Yes, I know. Deceptively simple. Hi, you're here. Are you willing to be here? Am I willing to be here? Understanding, of course, that there's no pressure on this one. That our honest answer might be, and that's a completely reasonable answer. As a starter, as starting. Yeah. Here's a painful note. I was reading in the news this morning about how in Virginia, a teacher got shot by her 6-year-old student. And it really brought me back to my willingness, because of all the things that my will cannot command and cannot prevent. And so there's this question of showing up here and being willing. If you just ask me, am I willing to be here? I kind of was wobbling. I couldn't do it. I really mean it. I just wasn't actually able to muster it. Then I asked, am I willing to be here as the love in a loose constellation network with other people who are willing to be here as the love? And it was kind of like ice thawing on the inside. And I felt my willingness coming in. And it was like a backdoor way of realizing nothing really functions in loss of heart. Like nothing really functions in loss of heart. Like willingness, for instance, it doesn't really function in loss of heart. And that love really needs to be brought back into the picture, the real, the heart love, the big love, the deep love, the abiding love, the ongoing, I really mean it love, so that willingness has something to be in service to.